Many of the everyday products we rely on, from fuels to plastics and perfumes, are derived from fossil hydrocarbons. In EBNet, we're investigating how to produce the bulk chemicals needed to create these products using organic waste as a feedstock, replacing fossil sources. A shift that is crucial as we work towards a more sustainable future. One promising solution lies in anaerobic fermentation, a biological process used for centuries to make products such as wine and vinegar. In mixed culture fermentation, different types of microbes working together can produce a variety of useful chemicals, like mixed fatty acids. Left to themselves, the microbes will produce fatty acids until the concentration gets too high or the pH falls below values they are comfortable with. But if we can strip these fatty acids out as they are produced, the conditions stay comfortable and the microbes will carry on making them until they run out of something else, like food. By integrating removal with production, we make conditions better for the microbes and increase the yields for us, whilst processing wet or dirty organic materials that are hard to manage in any other way. When the fatty acids are removed from the fermentation broth, they are in a mixture of soluble products, some of which are more useful or valuable than others. They therefore need to be separated and purified. A wide range of methods is used, and while some are physico-chemical rather than biological, they can still affect the microbes and their performance. For example, adding harsh chemicals like sulfuric acid can be an effective step in extracting certain products, but it also leaves an unpleasant residue that is difficult to process or dispose of. Developing gentler methods allows for further downstream bioprocessing of the residues to recover more value in the form of other products, biogas, or plant nutrients. And if the side streams are fed back into the original fermentation, they can encourage the microbes to make more of the products we want. By looking at the interaction between microbial needs and engineering interventions across the whole process, we can optimize the recovery of valuable products and cut the financial and environmental costs of production, while also offering a cleaner, more efficient way to manage dirty mix wastes. An innovative approach that represents a critical step towards sustainable resource recovery and a greener future.